Morning, sir. I am Saraswati from class 5th. I am telling about 18 table. 18 1 ja 18, 18 2 ja 36, 18 3 ja 54, 18 5 ja 90, 18 6 ja 108, 18 7 ja 126, 18 8 ja 100, 144, 18 9 ja 126, 62, 18 10 ja 180.
Okay. What happened to you? Why you were absent yesterday? Say loudly. जोर से बोलो.
I am
हाँ.
fever.
You are suffering from fever.
Yes, sir.
You took the medicine.
Yes, sir.
You went to the doctor yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How are you now? अब कैसे हैं? Are you fine now?
Fine.
Okay. Brought the leave letter? Don't know? Why? You should bring the leave letter. Okay? Or in the diary, note can be written by the parent about your leave. Permission should be asked by the parent in the diary also. Then we'll get, class teacher will give the permission.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Here afterwards you follow that.
Yes.
Whenever you take the leave, bring the leave letter. Go.